Hello everyone and welcome back to From Zero to CryptoHero, the show where I show you how you can go from zero to $10,000 just by profiting off opportunities you can find everywhere around the blockchain. The first 10 episodes we talked about airdrops, and we have quite a few that are still waiting, and we had one that was extremely successful, which was the Arbitrum airdrop. Now the second part of the series is talking about NFTs, and we're really trying to get that passive income with NFTs that are able to exponentially grow so that when we reinvest, we can get even more passive income from what we have. And to do so, we had three main collections. The first one was the Bakery Genesis. These ones we got free in the airdrops part of the CryptoHero series. Second one we bought, which are the Cool Pets, which give us milk every day, which we can swap into Matic. And the third one is WeAbove, which give us some GRV, which we can then open boxes with. And in these boxes, we get some loot. Now, something happened during the last week. So what we can do on the bakery is actually open Kronka bars. Kronka bars are something that you get one a day if you hold one of their NFTs. And then if you're lucky enough, you might be able to unlock an NFT thanks to a Kronka bar. So a few days ago, I won with my Kronka bar. And I was able to unlock for free. I was airdropped this vessel that is from the other side. And this vessel I was able to sell for 0.27 ETH. So after fees, I think that was 0.25 ETH income, which I decided to reinvest into the Genesis Baker. So 0.2 I bought a Baker with. And I used 0.05 that I kept into my ETH current holdings. They're just sitting in MetaMask, waiting to be put to good use. Now, a lot of people have asked me why I sold my vessel, because it's possibly a good investment. This is actually just because I don't really have time to keep track with everything that they do, the other side, because it's just time limitations. And although it's better to have a lot of your investments in different baskets, it's not really good to have investments where you can't keep track of them, because then you might miss something big or miss out on something big. So I'd rather actually double down on the bakery because what they've done so far has been extremely rewarding, at least to me. And I think that their project has a lot of potential. But I could also very well have doubled down on the Cool Cats and the Cool Pets to try and get some more rewards, or really just grind on the current NFTs I own. But so in total, in dollar value, this means that I was airdropped a $475 prize reward that I then mostly spent into doubling down to get another Baker Genesis and also kept on the side, which means that now my current bag of NFTs is roughly worth $1,000, and my current bag of cryptocurrencies is roughly worth $441. And this is at floor price, so it's not including any rarities or anything like that. And what we're really hoping is that the Kronka bars, now will be getting 2 every day, will be able to give us another drop, or they'll have a great utility that will provide even more value than they currently are doing, and that the Cool Pets also pick back up. I think that the floor price has gone up for the Cool Pets as well. If we check 0064, so here we're already on profit with one of the Cool Pets and still at a loss with the other one. I guess this was the gas fee. So yeah, this is quite interesting. We see that the NFTs are actually able to provide some passive income. Now there is a little bit that's based on luck, a little bit that's just diligence, such as the milk. If I do it every day, I get more milk. If I don't, then I just don't. And right now, I think milk, I have roughly $10 worth. Let's see, I have 45,000 milk. Which is $8.30, which is fair enough, which actually also compensates this and puts me at a $20 profit with these 2 Cool Pets, and they will continue providing value every day. So it's just, right now I've broken even. I've made even a little bit of profit if I was to sell everything right now, but I'm planning to actually continue grinding on that milk, because although I could sell it to have some Matic right now, there is also a lot of cool things that we can do with milk, including raffles, including I'm going also to use some milk to show how we can trade, because they have a store where you can actually sell and buy NFTs for free. Well, they pay the gas fee, so we're going to be using that a little bit, which is why I'm keeping my milk. And the Kronka bars, however, I'm going to be spending regularly, but I'll try keeping all of my crinkle bars for the next episode so we can open them together. And now the WeAbove box, I opened it the other day and I got 300 GRV, which is actually more than what it cost me to open the box. So what I did is boost up the number of GRV that I received. So we received 5 a day just for holding the NFT, and I stacked up to 200, used the 200 to open the box, and in the box I found 300. So that means that now I have slightly more than I could have, and if I wait an extra 80 days, I could open the box that's tier 2, so the rarer one with better rewards in it. Or I can just wait a week cooldown and get the bronze box again. And maybe, I don't know what's happening here, but maybe I could also get another nice reward in it. So we'll see, and I'll keep you posted. Now for the second part of the video, we're going to be talking about something a little bit different. And why do you say special or different? Well, because I'm not going to be doing it. So I would like to welcome Hugo, our magnificent swag shop host here on the CryptoHero channel. And he will be showing you how we can go a little bit deeper on Starknet that we've done before and on the Venom chain as well. These are airdrops, but we have seen that some airdrops can be very rewarding. And I think that those ones are worth the little exception.
Hi, this is Hugo. Today, I will be your SwissBOrg captain for a new airdrop journey. So we are going to see how to farm the Starknet airdrop. So in the first time, you will need to get your MetaMask ready and also to get a Starknet wallet. You can use Bravos or Argentix. So the second step will be to bridge funds from MetaMask to your new Starknet wallet. To do that, we will use the new tool from SwissBOrg, the multi-chain, and we will send out some USDC to MetaMask on Polygon. Super easy and very cheap. Once your USDC are received on your MetaMask, you will need to swap your USDC for Ethereums. So there, I used to go on Uniswap, connect your MetaMask, use the Polygon chain, and then just swap. So it's super easy to bridge your Ethereum from Polygon network to Starknet. You will need to go on orbiter.finance, then connect your MetaMask, select Polygon. Here you need to select Starknet. It will ask you to connect your Argentix wallet. I'm already connected. Then you need to select Max and then send funds to Starknet, confirm and send. Confirm the transaction on MetaMask. In less than 5 minutes, you will see that your transaction is approved on orbiter.finance. And once you go to your Argentix wallet, you can see your Ethereum there. Then you will need to interact with decentralized application on Starknet. The first one will be app.starknet.ig. You will need to connect your Argentix wallet and select the Stark domain name. So I already bought Pocho.stark, but for example, you can on Pocho6. And you can see it's available. You can mint it for 1 year or 2 years as you want. Second application will be 10kswap.com. So you will swap Ethereum for USDC. As I have already 18 USDC in my wallet, I will get 12 more. And then you click on swap, confirm the transaction. Now, once you have USDC on Starknet, you can go to pool, select Ethereum USDC and add liquidity. I won't do it because I already did it before, but I'm gonna show you on GDAISwap. You can go on app.gdaiswap.xyz. You can do a trade, like the same thing, then 10k swap, select token, USDC for example, swap, confirm swap, and then confirm the transaction. It will cost you about 50 cents, $1 per transaction, but it's still cheap compared to some layer 2. What we can do next is following the Argentix tweet for the last NFT mission with Brick NFT. It's a protocol based on Starknet, and you will need to follow this link to build and mint a brick set on Starknet mainnet between 6 June and 13 June 2023. So let's go on this link. So you just need to follow the step an explorer with more than 30 bricks. And then I think just click on mint. Okay, let's go. I'm going to rename it for Pocho X mint. So for 36 bricks, it cost us about $1. Buy and mint. And then I think you will be ready to claim your NFT. Once you have minted your 30 bricks, you can go on the official website of ArgentX. And then you can see the Wixis with brick. Then I think you can claim your NFT later than June 13th. So now let's interact with the first NFT marketplace on Starknet. It's mintsquare.io, and connect your Starknet wallets. Then go on Explore, and let's buy a cheap NFT just to interact with the protocol, make more transactions, and increase your airdrop chances. Let's see Starknet quests. Let's buy this one because I think it's an original collection of Starknet. Found it. Let's buy Starfighter Gold Arcade NFT for only $2. I don't have it in my collection. Starfighter, it was a game, the first game on Starknet. So once you have interacted with our Byte Finance, Starknet ID, 10K swap, GDI swap, and also Mint Square, you can go on Dapland and connect your Starknet wallets. This application allows you to find more dApps, more decentralized apps on Starknet. Then you can look for a DeFi protocol like Aura. Click on the link. I don't know if this protocol is live, so it's not available for the moment on the mainnet of Starknet, but you can look for other dApps on Dapland. We have Brick that we have already seen before.
A few moments later.
Yes, we have C-Swap, is an AMM aggregator and a stable swap on Starknet. And in the past, I already interacted on the testnet. Let's swap a bit of Ethereum. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video useful.
So thank you so much, Hugo, for the Starknet airdrop tutorial. It was super clear. I did it right after you did with $50, however, and I found it quite easy. Even if I did have some failed transaction, a tip I can give is try to do these in the morning because it will work much better than in the afternoon, at least if you're on CEST time. And once that's done, we'll just wait for that airdrop to pop because, yeah, it's been talked about a lot on the airdrop communities, and I think that it's probably going to give us something cool. So at least that's done. Now we can move on to back to NFTs, and we'll see you next time for hopefully some even better NFT tips. So without further ado, I wish you a very profitable weekend, and I'll see you next time. Ciao.